everybody, it's Shelby and it's a new day, so that means it's time for a new look. And today's look is actually going to be inspired by drag makeup. I'm a really big fan of drag makeup. I think it's very beautiful. I just really like it and I really like drag queens in general. I think I really fell in love here recently. Just Alyssa Edwards. I just love so much. He's just so fun to watch, and his new show on Netflix is great. It's so good because it's like he owns a dance studio, but like besides just the dance studio, like it also shows him like performing shows, and he has like little music videos in each like episode, and it's like the greatest thing ever. Like he's brilliant, or whoever is, you know, putting it all together is brilliant. I'm pretty sure it's all him and that he's just a fucking genius. So anyways, I was looking at some drag makeup looks on Google and I came across one. I'll drop a picture in for you to see, and it just really stood out to me, and I thought that it was something that I could do. If you don't already know, for the next 30 looks that I do, so the next 30-ish days, because I'm not perfect and probably not going to record every day, but I am using the Rimmel London magnif'eyes. I'm using the Jewel Rocks edition and the Electric Violet edition. This is going to be my 7th look, I believe, and I really love these eyeshadow palettes so far. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, put some primer on my face, and then just get with it. So I hope you guys enjoy. And while I'm filming, if you notice my purple part, I just colored my hair earlier, and so my part is just screaming purple right now. But we're not going to talk about that. I'm going to do the makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, this wraps up today's new look. This look was drag inspired, and I must say that I'm in love with it. I don't know about you guys, but if you like it, leave me a comment and let me know. Or if you want to let me know who your favorite drag queen is, I would love to know about more of them. I appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to see more content, make sure you hit the bell to get notifications. Thanks guys, until next time.